Welcome back, everybody, on a brand new video in Animal Company. And I've heard Animal Company has gotten an update, Purple Gang, but honestly, I don't really know what's in the update. The only thing I know is they released Golden Revolvers, which you actually joined perfect timing because I was mentioning Golden Revolvers.
Yeah, because I was in a previous lobby, and there were some Golden Revolvers on the ground. Like my lobby was actually crazy. There was a bunch of cool stuff.
Well, we're gonna check out the new update, and by the way, the only thing I know is they have released Golden Revolvers now, so they're not rare anymore.
Yeah, at least we have some.
But I want to see if there's anything new in the store. Whoa! Are you seeing what I'm seeing right now?
Yo, wait. Am I seeing what you're saying right now?
What is this? OG Premium Bundle? Celebrate our 1-year anniversary with the OG bundle with our shiny new golden AC jacket, golden glasses, OG hat, and brand new golden gun. Yup, I'm definitely gonna buy this. Yo, honestly, should I ask my mom? I mean, I know she's at work, bro. Whoa, what is this?
Purple. It kind of looks ugly though.
It looks like that one Fortnite skin. You know, like Raven or something like that. Yo, guys, honestly, I might ask my mom to buy this bundle. So if you see me with this bundle in my next video, then you'll know that I bought it. I'm not sure. So I don't think that's all in the update. Because if that is,
let's go check.
That would be terrible.
Skilletry. Let's go check Skilletry.
Hold up. Just in case you gotta go on any adventures.
Okay. Get money. Yeah. Wait, no, that's copyright. Thank you.
Do you wanna chicken jockey pick up?
I want me. I am Steve.
Hi, I'm Steve. Yeah. What is happening?
Wait, let me check Skilletry. Yo, what the heck is wrong with the VR?
What? It's not, bruh. It's like going crazy. Okay, there. Oh, the only thing I know they released is the golden gun. Oh, and the cardboard box, but I already knew that. Oh, they have that. I forgot. They have that. Oh, I actually haven't posted a video on that yet. Oh, wait. Egg RPG ammo? Oh, they have a new RPG, I think. Wait, is the Golden Revolvers not out? I thought they were out.
I saw like maybe one new thing on Skilletry. There's now an egg.
No, it's an egg in a RPG. Wait, but I thought they released the golden gun. Oh, I think you gotta buy the pack to get the golden gun.
Oh my bad.
Oh. I'm not sure if that's all in this update. Honestly, I'm not in the Animal Company.
If we do have to buy the pack, it's alright, cause we already got a couple.
Oh, I got multiple.
I got like maybe 5 or 6 now.
I got 6.
Okay,
that's you. Oh. You know what? I have a video idea, but I don't want Toasty to get mad at me. Toasty, or known as just Toasty, you must likely know him. But we're gonna just hunt every single monster with golden revolvers. So yeah, let's do that. Do I want to use the purple revolver? Do I want to use the purple revolver?
I don't want to lose this one, so
yeah, I don't want to lose the purple revolver. Oh my god, I forgot I had this. Oh, wait, guys, I have been on that rare grind, that rare item grind.
I don't want to lose my small one either.
Dude, where's my normal one? Dude, where the heck's my normal one?
I'll lose my big blue one. Hold up.
Well, I got a very small blue one. You know what? We're gonna be using the big golden revolver. Okay, bro, come on.
Okay, this is my thing.
No, we don't need the pickaxe. We actually, yes, we kind of do. Okay, I'm
Oh, I'm
buy
gonna
some
need
ammo.
revolver ammo. Yeah. Buy some for me too. No, actually, just give me like 5 or 4.
No, don't.
Wait. 4.
You know, yeah, we don't
Buy
need.
me the same. Buy me the same amount.
How much was that I bought?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe around like 10 or 9.
Still not. Wait, do you have the ammo unlocked?
No.
You don't? Oh my god, you have nothing unlocked, bro. Oh, guys, look at my money. I got 3 million.
Look at my money. Alright.
You're broke. 1.
Hey, man. Hey, bro.
Okay, where did my pickaxe go?
Wait.
So where should we head first to get some monsters? You know what? Let's head over to sewers.
Honestly, I don't think I need my pickaxe.
Well, I do for points.
Oh, Xavier.
What? What?
I think they buffed the grapplers because now, like, you could grapple from like far places now.
You can? Oh my god, you can.
But
Whoa.
company.
Whoa, okay, that's
I
way too
didn't
far.
even do nothing to you. What if I grapple onto it?
You can. Oh, chicken! Lava! Chicken!
Chicken. Wait, no. Copyright.
It's
No,
not
no, it's
chicken.
copyright.
Oh, is it copyrighted? Nah, no, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, die. Kill him. Kill him. Oh, there's a chicken. Bro, this is literally Steve's hot lava chicken.
Okay, well, Steve, I don't think we need any more of your lava chicken. I almost touched it with it.
How did I just survive that, bro?
I literally almost touched the poison flow.
I'm him.
How did you get over there?
I don't know what
Hey,
it
bro,
is.
going on side quest.
Okay. No, why? Oh my god, bruh. No! Did we both die? Did you die?
No.
Where's my...
I'm gonna just wait where you die.
I don't know how I just dodged that. Bruh.
Exhibit, your golden revolver's right there.
Chicken jockey. Why'd I just say chicken jockey? Where's my backpack full with ammo?
I didn't find it.
Yes!
One shot.
Ow! I just got flashbanged! Okay, so we already got the red light, green light. So red light, green light down. And the chicken's down. Now we need some more things. What else do we have? Oh, we actually do have King Bomb. Hold up, this one?
Armstrong.
Wait, did I get him? I don't know if I got him or not. I might have. I don't think so.
Where you at?
Just killed another red light, green light. Where's Armstrong?
I already went down the tunnel.
Bro, you weren't even supposed to go yet.
Oh, but I killed the Armstrong.
You scared me, bro.
Haunted house. Oh, what is wrong with my grappler? My grappler is not grappling. Oh no, I didn't mean to shoot it yet.
You ready?
I'm already at the second parkour.
Okay.
And I'm already at the tunnel. Oh, that was a risky move. Going for my watch right there. Yeah, there's ammo. Bomb. Bro, I could have gotten that. Only if I had ammo. Where's Jordan? Wait, I just heard a grappler. Oh, hi.
Hello.
It's so echoey.
Yo, why is uranium in here? I've never seen that in here.
Banana.
Oh my god, we got chicken. Alright, jump down.
I'm hitting every pipe.
Coming in hot. Whoa, okay. Another monster that we didn't go for when I could have gone for, but I forgot you could kill. Oh. It's the eyeball dingy but jingy but dingy. Oh, 3 shot. Alright. Alright.
Hey, you need some ammo? 'Cause I got Guy, you need ammo? Come down here.
Nah, bro. You know I'm good on ammo. I swear, if that summons one right on me.
Oh,
Oh, dude. I played that way too. Wait. I played that way too risky, bro. Oh, I should have bought gear actually. That just made me waste some time. Okay, I need that. Okay. Bro.
Are you coming back?
Of course I am, bro. I mean, of course I am, bro.
Alright, I'll just be waiting where you died.
Make sure my golden gun doesn't despawn.
Okay, I'll put it on my hip slot. Alright, it's on the hip slot. You should be good. Yo, I think it gave me some couple of coins.
I'm speedrunning. Bro, I'm already about to, bro, I already ended, bro, I'm already at the second parkour, or just about. Ooh, was he gonna stab her? Actually, to be fair, I did say, a word, so yeah. Where is he? Where is she? Oh my god, okay. I was saying where is she because I'm not talking about Julian, bro. He's a boy, obviously. I was talking about Scary Woman. Or Scary Larry. I'm back! Hello? Hello?
I'm above you.
Where are you? Oh, what? Where's my backpack, though?
I'm above you.
I know you are, but where's my backpack?
Oh. Above that. I think it despawned. Yo, why is there like
No.
3 grapplers on the floor? Hold up, I gotta get that flashlight real quick.
Water bucket release! Oh no. Okay, well I guess we killed Eyeball. And I also died in the process of killing it. Okay, come on, let's head over more.
Hold up, I need this flashlight. Bro, I can't even have
Dude, you don't need a flashlight, I got one.
I'm just sticking to the wall, trying not to touch the poisoners.
I just lost myself so hard. Yo, I just lost myself so much. I'm so lost. Where am I? Oh, I'm supposed to go this way. Yep, this way, definitely.
Where you?
Okay, I'm already here. Now this is where we get to kill 2 monsters. And I nearly fell all the way down. Awesome sauce, bro. Oh. Okay.
I'm at the part where there's a bunch of pipes.
Bro, I'm already at the end. Like, where the portal is.
Wait up.
Where's the... Oh, I see him.
Almost here.
Oh no, that's bad.
I'm here. Why is Angler here?
Angler's always here, bro.
Well, guess we gotta shoot him.
The thing is, I don't have ammo. Nah. I don't need the light anymore.
Killed Angler.
Dang. How am I gonna do that? Wait, can I put it on my waist? No, how am I gonna do that then? You know what, it could just stay there.
Xavier.
Gotta kill you, big fat man. Oh, I killed him!
Alright, let's go. Come here.
Click the buttons! Let's go, we did it. Now, we didn't go to Haunted Mansion, but it's fine.
Alright, now let's have fun. You know what I mean? Hey, yo.
No! How did he not die? How did you not die? You know what? No.
Wait, no, let me put my thing. Wait, no.
Oh. Bruh.
Huh? Yo, could you buy me a revolver?
Revolver.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Chicken jockey.
Chicken jockey.
No. But I don't know if I'm gonna see you again. Ah! I got you. Bye. There's some company coins for your lost, bro. Sorry for your loss. There's some company coins right there. Oh. Ha. You missed your only shot.
No grapplers. That ain't fair.
Yes, it is. Grappler. No, I did not mean to show my room. You know what? Here, bro. I'll make it fair, bro. Oh, I'm still Red Watch. Hold up. I'm not gonna make it fair yet. Wait until I don't have Red Watch, and then I'll give you a grappler. Okay. Buddy, I'm not Red Watch.
I never said you. Oh my.
Okay, there. That's only if you need them and you want it to be fair. I wonder what this date is for, though. Oh my god, I almost went into the map, which I haven't posted a video on, which you guys will see soon. Maybe. Probably. Honestly, I don't even
Probably,
know.
maybe. Probably.
Yeah.
I'm
Probably,
making a surprise.
You know what? Yes, no, maybe skibbity. I don't know, but.
Yes, no, maybe so. Chicken jockey, chicken. Chicken jockey, chicken jockey. Bro, we literally got lava chicken. Oh my god, you're making 5 big booms.
No, multiple big booms. Sup?
I want to show you something. Xavier, come over here.
No, hold up. I gotta do something real quick. My backpack. It's not letting me buy a backpack. Oh.
Five big booms. Boom, 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 boom.
Let's see if it starts speaking out. Okay, no, it doesn't. Alright, yes, it.
Xavier, look. I want to show you something. Come here. Monkey bar.
Oh my god!
Monkey bar. Look. Xavier, come here.
What?
Come here. Come here.
Dang.
Yo.
Okay, we are getting 5 big booms today.
Oh, what we did last.
No, stop. No, stop, bro. Of course he's gonna do it. Ha ha, he died. Womp womp. Ha ha, dummy, you died. You're stupid.
Haha, dummy, you also died.
Ha ha, dummy. Ha ha ha. Teenage Mutant Ninja Chicken Jockey. Teenage Mutant Chicken Jockey. No! Oh, yay!
Okay, let's do the action.
Bruh, I just reviewed my room again.
What?
Nothing. I just reviewed my room again, though. Well, peace
Okay.
out, y'all. This is gonna be the end of the video, Purple Gang. I hope y'all enjoyed, and like and subscribe, please. Literally, all you gotta do is go to my channel and press one single button. Like, bro,
and,
it's
like
not
press
that
the little
hard.
subscribe button.
Like,
That's
it's not
probably
that
like at
hard.
the bottom left.
It's
Like,
not
a
that
little
hard.
bit below where I'm at. Like the
Yeah.
like,
It's
subscribe, it
probably
says
like
subscribe.
somewhere down there, I think.
Right
but-
now, if it's gray, make sure it's invisible.
Okay, I think it might be like under this wood, I think, or something like that. I mean,
Maybe
I don't
somewhere
even know.
here. Like, no, I'm gonna try to click it. Oh God, I clicked it. Subscribe.
Wait,
I just said
it's like somewhere like, bro, I can't find the button, bro. Well, I need y'all to help me find the button, and I need y'all to click the button for me, bro. It's literally not that hard.
or else we're gonna have 5 big booms. Boom, boom, boom. Oh man.
Those are flashbangs. Well, bye everybody. See you in the next one.
Peace.